Welcome back, everyone, to another success story at Find a Job in Germany. I'm Raul, and I'm happy to welcome Joe here from Egypt. Joe, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good as well, thanks. Joe, thanks for taking the time to share your experience. You are from Egypt, and now you got a job in Germany through FAJIG, based in Düsseldorf region. And we were looking very much forward to find out more about your work, but also, of course, your experience with us and the time here in Germany. So, Joe, let us start by asking or find out why have you actually decided to work with us? What was the reason you contacted us first?
So at the beginning, I was applying for jobs, different places like Germany, basically, and Netherlands as well. And I only got one application to or one interview, and it didn't go well.
Hmm.
So I figured that's something definitely wrong with the way I proceed the recruiters or the way I apply. So I was recommended by a friend. And I checked your program and it was very interesting. So I applied and it was a success.
Okay, cool. You got a job. I just checked it out. Within 3 months also. Christmas was also between, so we can cut off a few weeks actually, because that is where the recruiting time really is on hold.
Yeah.
Um, Maybe share with the community what are the insights you can share in terms of what did we do different compared to you? How did you apply it? How did we apply? How did we set you up for the application process, etc.?
Yeah, so it starts from the beginning. The CV was completely different in terms of format, in terms of like the skills, everything. So with you guys made it much more like readable for the HR recruiters. And definitely, you gave me a lot of tips on how to apply, which jobs to avoid, which jobs not to waste time on, and which jobs which should I focus on. So that was basically also the videos regarding the how to follow up your application, how to
Hmm.
interact with the recruiters inside in the interview itself. Um, Also the technical tips, how to
Hmm. Please finish
yeah,
there. I just have a few.
also how to interact with the manager or the cultural fit interviews. So these were extremely helpful to me.
Okay, so pretty much throughout the process from beginning until you were here through the interview rounds and then also relocation process. Joe, maybe you can share a bit more details. We set you up. We have mock-up sessions always for every round. In Germany, we have 3 to 5 rounds. They are different also compared to other interview rounds that you have experienced in the past.
Basically, you helped me guys from the first step, which is the application. That helped a lot. So at the beginning, I didn't receive any replies except rejections. So once I start to get approvals, once I edited my CV according to your templates,
Mhm.
then once I entered the interview, you told me that yeah, you have to answer it in a specific way. The story scenarios always was a good example. That was very efficient during the interviews. The same goes for the technical and the culture fit interviews as well.
So maybe just a few words on the technical questions. I mean, you are a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer. What would you say from what you have experienced so far? What is actually needed, must-have thing, must-have tech skill that cloud engineer, DevOps engineer should be good at?
Um, so cloud and DevOps, it's like it's a vague, or maybe it has a lot of fields inside it. You need to cover a lot of topics from infrastructure, the DevOps lifecycle, You have to include security as well. This is pretty needed. You have to include Kubernetes clusters and so on. So in DevOps, you have to be have a wide and general knowledge. Also, you have to have like a one or two fields that you have deep knowledge on them.
Like
And
what, for example?
currently, the most trending is Kubernetes and the Docker, how to implement them and how to manage, monitor, and maintain them as well. So that's one of the key aspects there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Okay, very good, and thank you so much for sharing these first insights, Joe. So you have seen if you are a DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, or also software or data engineer, and you would like to get our support to pass interview rounds, to get invites, then feel free to get in touch with us. We will assess your profile and looking very much forward to working with you. Wishing you all the best, and Joe, thank you so much for your time.
thank
Take
you.
care.